How to find app storage settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find app storage settings on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just scroll down until you find the apps. Click on it and then press apps again and scroll until you find any app you want, like this one, Facebook, and here we'll find storage. Click on it and as you see here you can find the app storage. You can manage, you can clear cache or data. Just click on it if you want, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.